What's up guys, this is Karol from Undisputed Market, and if you're watching this video, probably doing some research on YouTube or somewhere else about how to track affiliate link clicks. So in this video we're going to dive deep into this topic, and we're going to actually look at the ways how you can track your affiliate link clicks. Now, before we dive into this topic, you've probably noticed that I'm in front of my YouTube channel, so if you're not a subscriber yet, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've strived to deliver every single day a new video regarding affiliate marketing, online business, and all of that beautiful stuff regarding leveraging the power of internet. So without further ado, let's dive into our today's topic, and let's see the two most or the best ways how to track your affiliate link clicks. Now, affiliate links, and basically to have the numbers and to have the exact numbers and the numbers of the clicks that you are getting from each of your traffic source to your affiliate link is essential in your business. Otherwise, you don't really know where they are coming from, which one is profitable, which one is better, and you're just losing money somewhere you don't necessarily need to lose. So for that, we need to have the analytics, and we need to have the analysis and the data to support that, so we can really get into the good profits. Now, the ways how we can track these numbers and these clicks are two, basically. There is a free method, and there is a paid method as well. Now, for the free method, we're going to look at Google Analytics. Now, personally, I love Google Analytics. Google Analytics is very helpful tool, especially for the website that you own. Otherwise, if you want to track a website that you don't necessarily own, then Google Analytics is not going to be as much of a help for you as it could be. Well, with Google Analytics, there are several things that you can literally track. So before you are going to track anything, you're going to need to install your tracking code to your website, right? So that's a necessity for Google Analytics to work. Otherwise, you're not going to get that much of information without that thing. Now, I'm not going to show you exactly how to do that. You can find it in the Google Analytics. It's very simple. I think it's right over here in admin and the settings. Now, Google Analytics give you a very good information about the traffic that is coming to your website. Now you can see, over here we have just users throughout the days, but what we can look for is also the real-time overview and the real-time numbers. So when we check the real-time overview, you can see that right now there are certain number of active users on the site. Unfortunately, we don't have at the moment anyone, but let's just pretend that's fine. So you can see over here, you can see the locations where they are coming from. You can see the traffic sources they are coming from, the content conversions, and all of that beautiful stuff that you want to know about your traffic, and so that you can go ahead and see more about it. Now, if you do have enough information about the audience, you can check the demographics, the interest, geolocation behavior, and all of that beautiful stuff that Google acquires from the traffic, from the people that are visiting your website. Now, so this is basically how Google Analytics work. You do need to, as I mentioned before, install your tracking code to your website. Otherwise, it's not going to work properly. Now, this is for the free method. I personally do love analytics, Google Analytics, but honestly, I love even more the paid method that we are going to talk about, and it's called ClickMagick. Now, with ClickMagick is, I would probably say, it's the best tracking tool you might possibly ever get your hands on. ClickMagick is just phenomenal with what they are doing, with what they are offering, and it's very simple and beginners friendly. Especially, like, I personally, I'm not a techie guy. I don't really know all of how to do these kind of things. Tracking code doesn't tell me anything, but with ClickMagick, it just I just love working with this. So I'm just going to log into my ClickMagick account, and I'm going to show you exactly what ClickMagick can do for you. So first of all, the big advantage of ClickMagick is that you can literally, track even websites that are not necessarily your own, right? So you might probably, drive a traffic to a website that is, like a blog, or it can be a YouTube video or whatever else it might be, where you don't necessarily have the option to put your tracking code onto, right? And so what ClickMagick does is that, first of all, you're going to need to connect a domain to your ClickMagick account. Now, with ClickMagick, or with the domains especially, you can just get any domain at all. I personally bought a domain from Namecheap, and I just bought it, for like $1 per year, right? $1. So it's literally for free, the domain. So don't think about that is something to stop you. It's genuinely not. It's literally just $1. And what you are going to do with ClickMagick is you connect this domain to your ClickMagick account, and then you're going to create links, right? And so I'm just going to show you exactly one of my links. Let's just go for this one, the YouTube video. And what it basically is, this is all you need to know about ClickMagick when you want to track the clicks, right? And so here is basically, when you connect your domain to ClickMagick, your domain is going to appear over here. So you do get a domain from ClickMagick directly, which is something like this, but again, it doesn't really seem or look good. So you want to have a personal domain, your own one, which you can just get whatever you want. So once you do connect your domain, you're going to choose one of your domains, or your domain over here. And what it does is that basically you will use add a slag, which is basically the word after the /, right? So I can just type whatever I want over here. I'm not going to change that, but when you do that, this is going to be your tracking link. As you can see over here, I have my tracking link over here. Now what is important is the primary URL, which is right over here, right? And so here you put any website you want to track, right? And so you can just use a blog, you can use your YouTube video, you can use, I don't know, your Facebook link, or whatever else it might be that you want to track or drive traffic to, right? You can use it over here, right? So it's not like with Google Analytics that you really need to put the tracking code into your website. Here you can just track whatever you want, whatever you like. Now once you do this, then you're going to use this tracking link. So whenever you share your links, you're going to use this one, right? You're not going to use your primary URL, but you're going to use this tracking link, right? And so whenever somebody clicks on this tracking link, they are going to be automatically redirected to your primary URL that you set up over here, right? And so what it does is it basically shows you exactly the clicks, right? And so there are several groups of the clicks that ClickMagick shows you. First of all, you got the total clicks, or TC. Now with total clicks, it basically works very easily. If I would click on this link twice, here I would have 2 total clicks, right? Now the second one is unique clicks, which basically shows you that if I click on this link twice, it's only going to show 1, because unique clicks is deriving from the IP address of the user, right? So it literally shows you how many people, different people, clicked on your link, right? So the difference between the total clicks and the unique clicks is, total clicks is like literally all clicks that are going to your website, and unique clicks is how many actual people are, clicking on your links, right? And now the other group is very helpful, and I just love this bonus, or this tool in ClickMagick. It's called flagged clicks. Now what a flagged click is, that this click comes from either a bot, either some servers, or basically not genuine people coming to your link, right? And what they do with ClickMagick is that they basically just separate these clicks from your unique clicks and total clicks, right? And so they create another row for flagged clicks like this, right? Because these clicks are not genuine people, so they don't want to combine it with your other clicks, so you do have the best, you know, the best data for your clicks. And you know, otherwise, when somebody clicks from this and it's flagged click, it can be a bot, it can be a server, whatever else, they are still redirected to your primary URL. So from the perspective of the user or the clicker, right, there is no change, but the only change is that they are divided over here, so they don't mess up with your clicks, your total clicks and your unique clicks, which is amazing, right? Because when you go ahead and check your total clicks, for example, you know, it would show like 214 total clicks for me, right? Which would be quite a lot, so I would be pretty happy. But on the other hand, 200 of them are just bots or something like this. So, you know, it would just tell me, I would just be fooled by these clicks. Now, the fourth row which I use is actions. And for these actions, you will need to use your, set a tracking code into your website, right? This basically shows you that a particular person clicked on your website and got on a certain page of your website, right? So I'm just tracking basically which or how many people are actually getting on a certain page on my website. Now for this, you do need to put your tracking info to your tracking code on that particular page, and for that you will need to own your website, right? But otherwise, if you just want to check your clicks, how many clicks you are getting, this is the best version. You know, you will see it. You don't need to own that website. And now just to show you exactly why ClickMagick is so powerful and why especially these flagged clicks are amazing, because if they would be included into the total clicks or the unique clicks, I would probably look at it as I have 214 total clicks but only 7 actions taken, right? So I would be looking at, oh my god, something is wrong on my page because 200 people are going there but only 7 actually goes to my page, right? So I would probably look at my website and try to fix the problem, while the problem is that those clicks are just bots that are not genuine people, right? And so thanks to ClickMagick, I can see that, okay, I have 200 flagged clicks, which means that they are just bots, so I don't count them into it. And I can see that I have 11 unique clicks, and from those 11 unique clicks I have 7 actions taken, which is amazing, and that makes it 63.6%, right, conversion rate, which is amazing. So this is it, guys. This is ClickMagick. They do have a 14-day free trial, which I personally recommend to everybody to try it out, just to, you know, just to have a look at it, how it works. I personally just love this, and it's basically, this is it, you know, guys. You can play with it a little bit, you know, you can play a little bit with engagements and all of this stuff, but you know, if you want to track your links, as you can see, the only thing that I use are these four columns, 4 rows, and basically this is just a percentage which is created automatically. So I don't really do anything with that. I just see it, you know. So it's really simple, yet very effective and helpful, especially when you're doing, you know, paid promotions or anything like this. You know, you do want to know your numbers, you do want to know your conversion rates, because otherwise you're just splashing your money and you're not going to be profitable, you know. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, hope you get a lot of value from it. And listen, if you want to check ClickMagick out, go ahead and click the link in the description. It's the first link in the description. and you will get a 14-day free trial for ClickMagick, just to you know, have a look at it and try it out for yourself. I personally highly recommend it. And if you are interested in affiliate marketing, to learn more even about affiliate marketing, to know the strategies that really sell, the ways how to implement the right tools into your business, then go ahead and click the second link in the description, and you will get a full access to my 4-day free video series, and you will get information from affiliate marketing, the tools and all of that beautiful stuff. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.